Ka Social Action for Human Rights SAFHR India, ringkat ka jingatri lang ka Labour and Migrant Commission, jong ka Juwai Diocese ha ka katlay trik naitung, kalapun kutno ya ka jingai jinghikai kabatip kung ka creating paralegal volunteers through training on laws, welfare scheme, and advocacy skills. Kani ka jinghikai ka balai singi lenter ka sedang ha katway trik naitung ha saman lang Pastoral Center Hall ka baha Lumbi Sentu Mi Mentedu West Giant Hills District. Ka jing thmu jong kani ka jinghikai ka long ban kentiu ya ka jing nang jingtip jong kiri pat ba halor ki an ki kendon ki hok bat ki la jingaram ki ba ka sorkar ka wanra kenang ba ki beriu kentip ya ka jing mentoy ba ki dei ban yok kat kum ka juk ka bamenta. Habaro kilai sngi jong ka jinghikai la yo ka jingbatai benia halor ki an ki kendon ki hok bat ki la jingarap na ka sorkar da ki riu syampang bakentup na duk ki muktiar ki doktor bat pulin. Ladon lang ru Father Manbha Pakem, Director jong ka JHDS, ha ka jingdon lang uba Dennis Kurkalang, Coordinator ka JHDS, ka Sister Soki Nongrum bat ki Wede ki Nongtre ka JHDS. Lapun waya ka jinghikai da ka mas bakut balapun benta da Father Manbha Pakem.
HIV AIDS, no? Bukan na perdi yang ini dapti biga kani berkejut. We know about, we have heard that now things now okay ada kejut HIV, no? Manu apa just from the word HIV and AIDS, it makes us tremble because it's a very dangerous disease. Why it is dangerous? Because once it enters inside our blood, it stays there forever. We will die with the virus. No? So straight away, HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. No? Human immune system. No? Immune system, it means our defense system, our natural defense system. God created us in such a way that we are able to adapt, we are able to live right from the beginning of time through the immune system, natural defense system. No? Before worrying maja, you be room mem the wine, the pot mem the chin, tawal the perkat they live that same amount of year, their life expectancy, no? They live 70, 80. In fact, they were living longer than us. Ki wajorin tempen pani, porvarin macam, no? The main reason because of the immune system, plague immune system. This immune system is a natural defense system that our body will recognize. Ye government will recognize any foreign object, any agent remote ki viruses, ki bacteria, ki fungal infection, if they enter inside our body, the immune system will immediately activate itself, recognize ki foreign, ki agents that will harm our body, and it will send soldiers, kind of army. It will send those kind of army, and they will engulf mood gigi gitu ki bacteria, mood gigi gitu ki viruses that they destroy. In that way, we are free from any kind of disease, even cancer. Even cancer cell, ini immune system, they will engulf it and they will digest it. No? That the waste that for you in a this is a very natural immunity. Once we say that we are immune, the jimut ni adapt. We can adapt, no, to the jimut kami mulai ini selama Thai you adapt. Approximately we can live our life up to 80, 90 years, no, naturally, no. But if we go to another planet, we will not survive that much. Maybe we will just survive 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and we will die. Because we are not immune to that particular place. Namun kata Jepangga, immune system. Ka immune system ni will target this HIV virus. It will target the immune system name is called CD4 cells. CD4 cells. Uta the white blood cells. We will remember hagasnam yang the red blood cells. No.
In India, we have got different religions, right? The marriage is covered by different laws in India. We have got customary practices, like in Meghalaya, you have got a different kind of way of system of marriage. The men going to the women's house, right? So we have the Muslims. The Muslims' marriage is, covered by the personal law of the Muslim, Islam, Muslim. And then for the Christians, we have the Christian personal law. For the Parsi, there is different, and for the for the Jews, the Parsi is different. Okay. For the Hindus, Sikh, Buddhists, they have got a common law for the marriage. Okay. So we have got different laws concerning marriage in India. Okay. But we also have a neutral law for marriage that is called Special Marriage Act. For the Hindus, Sikh and Buddhists, it is the Hindu Marriage Act. Alright? So now we will learn about the Indian Christian Marriage Act, as almost I think everyone here is Christian.
Em kena sexual harassment, em ketika dari sana ke sana kami datang in IPC. But afterwards they felt that there is a need. Afterwards they felt that there is a need to enact a special law. A special law. In the year 2012, there was no law. The laws protect children from sexual offences. So, I want to clarify the question. Prior to 2012, there are no laws. No laws to protect from sexual offences. But in IPC, there is a section C76. It says that rape and sexual harassment and so on and so forth. And the section in Indian Penal Code. Indian Penal Code 76 says that about rape. But it never speaks in after 2012, no, we need a special law to protect children from sexual offences. Jadi dah senang lagi ketika jadi poksoan 2012. Kamu ketika kecil ketika answer your question there is a law for maintenance. But a specific law for maintenance of parents, of oneself and other siblings, there are no laws. A special law for that, there are no laws. Kau punya panel itu kan, ketika Act of 2012 Act.
Let us just come first to Biri or Shekhar or Duma. Go back to them. Dia start computer. Dalam ini. Untuk yang terbaik ni, dan mana you bang kita tomat dia, tahu kan? Betul tak? Yes. Ten berjui, mana you play perlawan kita try, and ambitious kita intrigue on. Let me also try, let me also know it, let me also enjoy fantasy ini. Jing mentoy bina dan obras. Then I'm a bit easy access. Easy not to prolong pi kam na pi duma through peer groups. Hey bangsa. Sebab no? Kamta hai easy access. Unemployment, sometimes no job. दिन भर घर में बैठ के थक गया, चलो शाम में थोड़ा ऑफ जाएंगे या थोड़ा पियेंगे एक पैक पियेंगे, कमते हैं ना? दिन कमते हैं स्वीट सॉन्ग nya nan khi teman nan khi xong này dia lesi man poi khi này man hello nan khi man poi khi nya Israel itu dah tidak kasih pek yo biarnya tu tak benar tak baik dia nyontoh ilmu yang hari ini orang kan tidak
That's why we want awareness, lack of awareness. Dari di ini kamu jadi. Nah, we only know that we have to take it without knowing the consequence. Sampai nanti ini dan tidak you jadi sedih. Then of you stress. Kuah yung ni kamu manpa kuah yung dat ngaki awri me nyosung nyosan dat kisi me sok siang aja ben stress. Yo like ni kita slow lagi. Betul tak yang apa? Kena lebih deh. Pan poin yung pen awri men kim kan slow lagi. Tetapi dia bukan yung sam yung ini. Dan itu akan senang tahu ini dan pada subham yo props. Kemudian juga ada dia, senang mana dah props. Yo ini cakap no, jadi apa yang suka dah. Kamu tertuju di, hayung tu tertuju di cara, mana kau di cara dia tertuju dah bukan. Subham, mak ada em. Orang suam em sedang senang sedang dah, hamlah yang sensitif, yang stok kan. Kan itu memang kami easy availability, easy access. Tidak subham. But kita bang, di point ini kita pun hati kita awal di drugs itu. Dan ini drugs classified ini hati lebentar, mencuat lebentar. Baik, kamu natural drugs ini, war semi synthetic, tetapi synthetic, literally. Kini dah orang old school, beri ini natural drugs lah. Dapat ini dulu ni, itu you ni. Baik, maybe you have planted it at your house. Itu semua yang orang ayam. So step outside. Opium puppies. Baik, jadi opium itu. Baik, hal you itu. Saya senang saya dulu itu ni. Try. I can tell you how to extract drugs from there, but I think I should not. Jadi company, business day. Saya business drug. Nah, ini natural drugs come from one of the plants, opium poppy ini. Then cannabis itu tadi sana, tajam itu sekalian ke. Then bangsa tadi. Tajam sekalian bang, then process that I don't know. To tell you the truth, I have seen friends of mine who takes all this. I should not believe so much. Coca ini untuk cina coklat ni. Bang coklat ni. Bang itu no. Dulu ni cina coklat ni. Sok, jauh sok no. Itu ada cina ni. Tahu tak? Jadi coklat ni cina ada orang untuk lemah harmful. Human harmless. Dalam kisah ini kan, is synthetic, semi-synthetic, negative drugs from those natural drugs, natural ingredients, natural plants, cenah itu, that poison drugs. Kalau kau ham ni, but ini boleh, kau dah no? These are drugs ini, heroin, morphine. Ini memang boleh bisa cocaine.
1961. Dowry is no dowry. Typically, the dowry. Also,
Bisa cenderung dia.
yes. Entah cenderung. Kita tu dowry kan buat izin dan sama dengan dowry. Kita dowry dah mai paham macam apa. Kamu akan Thai itu, kamu tahu dari pusat Asia itu cenderung Ethiopia. Kita mungkin dowry. Lembaga kita sudah pun saya kita di dalam di mana ini mau dan mungkin Thai pun juga di lembaga itu terdapat terbentuk sejak ke boleh dia sampai dia ini berbagai protek jadi kita Thai mau kami terdapat mana MG dah hal terdapat boleh kita mau dari ciri pusat center di otak ini di Thai channel dia mana dan itu dua dia su lepas dahulu le, emang terus ekonom kita yang dia dia wamia, dia menjual cok, no, empat sisi ini ekonom macam There's Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. Kani tipika kayo sexual harassment of women in workplace. Ha? Harassment Kamjit yung harassment
Kurang menjauhi, kurang
menjauhi. Ini disebut non-discrimination HAM or Article 15. Gitu. Ini disebut non-discrimination. Non-discrimination Cak ni utang, baru cak ni utang. No? Mau cakap yang ngopi, cak utang, no? Ni utang. Dan kamu ada batai usaha ketiga fundamental rights dengan explain lagi. Dia kata koi harga Article 16 equal opportunity to public employment. Kita batai usaha. The right to freedom of speech and expression namun orang Kaya kata the right to freedom of speech and expression. Kaya kata speech kaya ada speech. Ha? Kita talking opinion yang ini. Lagi deklami, lagi dekoi. Ini kita ye di perlu sok ada tengok ini. Ye betai, ye pulang lagi ye thought lagi ke opinion yang ini. Ke
We have given our detail to a lot of data platform. Online scholarship for the students, online application, online jobs. Yes, and have you ever heard of the job where working from home?
Yes.
I've never known about that working from home till date, but I've heard there is a job that working from home. See, we are so much close to this network data technologies nowadays that we cannot separate ourselves from the technology. No matter what, at this stage, no matter what, we cannot separate ourselves. Aadhaar, ration card, through social media, through social platform. Aadhaar, Ipika, everything. Can you separate now your life from the social platform, from the technologies, from the data, from the internet? You were easily found. Kata the soup how champion the internet. The soup how champion. Ini tidak mungkin berbuat dengan Pim think him to realize he didn't realize ourselves that we are in the internet, in social internet or media platform or anything. But we are. We have given us so many details. We have to link. What is meant by link? Through network. Internet. Link here link is not kind you have link link. It means that we have entered ourselves to this networking system. The rampak system, they will line away. How can I? The need down. Opoi ketiga Information Technology Act yang Information Technology Act 2000 ni tahu to kedua sedang berdevelop ini social media platform ini internet aja dan sorka cipta reaction to pun kiru macam storm dan dia storm macam ini macam caleg kam di aimo. It's a crime committed through internet. Bukan hak jin dong, bukan hak jin cakap jawab dia. Any jin betul dengan jin dong dia. Dengan sokar, what was sokar berdiri dekat penkam berdiri bawah. Tom. Ada tak sen. Inu ini, bukan ini dan diwasan oleh government. So many links that were sent through the government's website. We have to fill. The kind who protect the information, the data yang profile yang people ke India, China, information technology. Ke India to country, ke India to
the country to buat kata buat ada uji buin lah no ia information technology nya house net aja kenapa buat uji ni dibentuk you can be untuk mau kita tengkap anda baik dengan digital signature electronic records ahli kali facilities e-governance ini electronic commerce the cybercrime and these cybercrimes are then defined and analyzed. Motif bagi pencipta, ia gak crime. Motif ia gak crime, pencipta ia gak buat crime adalah. Apa lagi? Kami gak hacking, the identity theft, cyber stalking, and phishing. The point to provide legal provisions against publishing obscene content and child pornography. Hacking satu beti pun hacking no. Tapi identity theft satu ni. Identity theft to betul dengan identity yang di dan kamu ada. I use your profile or data kamu yang di. Nah, kamu beri kamu to. Dan kamu kelar lagi. Dan ini kan cyber stalking to dibuat threat tadi. Jadi justnya dua cakap penting dulu apa social media. Di threat message jadi no. Dan ini phishing to kamu scam. Dia nombor call tu. Call ini tolong di SBI, in the police station. Pinjau call kami tu. Majunya apa? Hey, in SBI, ada problem dengan ini kadang ini semua ini tolong. Jadi BDA, jangan lupa kelak. Itu ini tolong naik goal hari ini. Macam sen dalam sekolah. Kami kena mengkai, contact call, hey, ini detail UC ini nanti. God, 1 point something lakh. Sila tahu ini detail. See, kami how ini detail ini, itu nak kata point message are sent by the bank or something. Ini be office email pan OTP email pan ini di MKM people apa? Maksudnya emang message. Ini tahu pun di scam.